what's good? My name is Heavy Duty, coming to you from my studio. Let me tell you about these movies I'm releasing every Tuesday and Thursday, cause people thirsty. I'ma give you what you need. Who wants some free beats? All you gotta do is subscribe, drop a comment on the video. You gotta provide me with ideas and topics for verses and beats live. And one more thing, you're gonna have to slide me your email addresses. I gotta stress, it's the vessel in which you're gonna be receiving the beat. If you don't give it to me, you ain't gonna get it. Come on people, get with it. I only got like a minute, so I'm out lickety split, it's a wrap.